In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or remove news and events on TradingView chart. If you're someone who uses TradingView to analyze the markets, you've probably noticed those small circular icons for news updates and economic events on your charts. While they can be helpful for staying informed, they might also clutter your workspace, especially if you're focusing on technical analysis. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to toggle these icons on or off, depending on your preferences. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and log in to your account. This is important because you'll need access to your personal dashboard to make any changes to your chart settings. If you're new to TradingView, you can sign up using the link provided in the description and start exploring its features. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu bar and look for the Products option. Click on it. This is essentially the gateway to accessing the chart grid view and other key features within TradingView. Now from here, you'll want to select your preferred chart grid layout. If you're someone who prefers working with a single chart, go ahead and select the single chart option. Alternatively, if you like comparing multiple charts side by side, you can choose a multi-chart grid layout. Take a moment to select the view that best suits your trading or analysis needs. Next, move your cursor to the chart grid area. Right-click anywhere within this space. Just keep in mind, don't click directly on any indicators or drawings you may have on your chart, as this could open a different menu. Once you right-click on the grid area, a menu will appear. From here, select Settings. Now, a settings window will open up. On the left-hand side of this window, you'll see a column with various options. Scroll down this column until you find the Events section and click on it. This is where you can manage the visibility of news and economic event icons on your chart. In the Events section, you'll see two checkboxes, one for economic events and another for latest news. These options are typically enabled by default, which is why you see those icons on your chart. If you want to remove them, simply uncheck both boxes. By doing this, you'll hide the news and event icons from your chart, giving you a cleaner and less cluttered workspace. This can be particularly useful if you prefer focusing solely on price action or other technical indicators without distractions. Once you've made your changes, click OK to save them and close the settings window. Your changes will be applied immediately. Take a moment now to glance at your chart grid and verify that the circular news and event icons have disappeared from the bottom of your chart. If they're no longer visible, you've successfully removed them. If at any point you decide you want these icons back on your chart, the process is just as simple. Repeat the same steps, right-click on the chart grid, go to Settings, navigate to the Events section, and this time, check the boxes for economic events and latest news. Click OK to save, and the icons will reappear. And that's it. You now know how to toggle the news and event icons on and off to suit your personal preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.